Hello everyone, dear student. This is the last video for the chapter What Makes Me Indian, written by a great Indian writer Ruskin Bond, whose parents were British and grandparents were North Europeans. After that, he loved so much India and he was attached in his real life with India and Indian custom and tradition. Here we have studied about his life, that after all the opportunity, why Ruskin Bond had a great attachment with India and India's tradition, why he didn't want to settle anywhere after so many great opportunities, great offers. He rejected every time all the great offers to think that India is native land and how can he make himself separate from this great nation. So this was the great attachment of this great writer Mr. Ruskin Bond. Now we see here the last page of this chapter. Here in the figure you can see to Mr. Ruskin Bond. It is a great pic made by an artist of Ruskin Bond. Here is also book, his self, and also outside of his window there is natural scenes. You see here. Now we start the passage from here. Taimur Dalim, we have read here. How far back does one have to go in order to establish one's Indianness? He says that how far back does one have to go in order to establish one's Indianness? To establish one's Indianness, एक अपनी भारतीयता को establish करने के लिए how far back does one have to go? There is no clearance कि कितना दूर तक का सफ़र पूरा करना है एक इंडियननेस बनने को इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए, भारतीयता के नाते खुद को इस्टेब्लिश करने के लिए. दिस इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट मैटर फॉर हिम. इट मस्ट बी द लैंड इट सेल्फ दैट होल्ड्स मी, एंड ही सेज दैट इट इज़ द power of the land of India that holds me here. But so many of my fellow Indians have been born and reborn here, and yet they think nothing of leaving the land. He says that there are so many his fellow Indian fellow who have been also born, reborn here, and फिर भी they think nothing of leaving the land. They think nothing of leaving the land. Means वे लोग भी देश को, इस लैंड को, इस देश को छोड़ने की बात नहीं करते हैं, सोचते ही नहीं हैं. They will leave the mountains for the plains. They will leave the mountains. Mountains को वे लोग त्याग कर देंगे for the plains.